another video. This video, I'm going to watch some drifting since my car's out of commission. But if you guys want to see more drifting stuff, and I've seen a lot of people are watching my drifting stuff, but they're not subscribed. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. It helps me out, and it'll help you guys out in the long run with content. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and I will talk to you guys possibly periodically through the next 2 days, because it's a two-day event, and I hope you guys like it. So I will talk to you then.
Standing on the edge of a cliff, realize there must be more to life than this. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Just grab my hand from hidden sin. We'll meet tonight.
Enjoyed that. It's kind of boring when you're not drifting, but whatever. I went and hung out with friends and got some footage. So don't forget, I know a lot of you that are watching my videos aren't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. If you guys could really do me a big favor and hit that subscribe button and the like button, let's try and get my movie videos out there. I hope you enjoyed my little cuts here, there, and everything. I will talk to you on the next one, guys. Later.